Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am good, and you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Leo. What's your name?
My name is Sweetie.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Japan. What about you?
I am from India.
Where do you live?
I live in India. And you?
I live in Tokyo.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old. You?
I am 24 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student. What about you?
I work at the hospital.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older sister. What about you?
I have two brothers.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
What is your favorite food?
I love Italian food. What's yours?
I really like pasta.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Do you?
No, I don't have any pets.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy classical music. What about you?
I like pop songs.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak Japanese and English. What about you?
I can speak Hindi and a little bit of Spanish.
What is your favorite season?
I like summer. What about you?
I prefer spring.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing tennis. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Hope.
Do you like to cook?
I enjoy playing guitar and cycling.
Do you like to play video games?
Yes, I do.
What is your dream job?
I want to be a scientist. And you?
I want to be a pilot.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Do you like reading newspapers?
Sometimes, I read the news online.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like to relax at home or visit friends.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes.
What is your favorite holiday?
I love New Year's Day.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like to run in the park.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
Do you like watching TV shows?
Yes, I like watching comedies.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango. What's your favorite fruit?
I love apples.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I enjoy going to the beach.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I love learning new things.
What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is the rose.
What is your favorite type of weather?
I like sunny weather. What about you?
I enjoy rainy days.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I enjoy spicy dishes.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream. What's yours?
I love chocolate cake.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I love swimming in the sea.
Do you like to read before bed?
Yes, it helps me relax. I read every night.
Do you prefer hot or cold drinks?
I like cold drinks.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I think surprises are fun.
It was really nice talking to you.
Yes, it was great chatting with you too.
I hope we can talk again soon.
Absolutely, I'd like that.
Have a wonderful day.
You too, take care.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
If you like the video, please like subscribe. Thanks for watching.